Hey everyone, a website's header is like its handshake. It's got to be strong and memorable. And today I'll show you how to create a sleek, responsive header in Webflow. Let's jump right in. Open your Webflow project and navigate to the designer. From the Add panel, drag a section onto the canvas. This will be your header container. Inside the section, go ahead and add a container or a div block for more flexibility. Now, let's add your logo. Drag an image element inside the container and upload your logo file. Next, we'll add a navigation menu. From the Add panel, drag the navbar component into the container next to your logo. Customize the links in the navbar to match your site's pages. Style the header by selecting the elements and adjusting typography, colors, and spacing in the Style panel. Alright, great. Make sure to set your header to fixed position if you want it to stay at the top when scrolling. Next, check the responsiveness by switching to tablet and mobile views. Adjust styles as needed to ensure it looks great on all devices. And there you have it, a custom header made from scratch in Webflow. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tutorials. I'll see you next time.